Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. SwitchBot Universal Remote. One remote to rule them all. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. SwitchBot Universal Remote allows you to control a host of home appliances such as air conditioners, TVs, DVD players, lights, fans, projectors, speakers, Apple TV or Fire TV and more. All with just one remote control. Supports up to 80,000 plus remote control models. Included at the box we have the manual, the reset pin, Type A to Type C cable 1 meter to length. You need to charge the remote control. Wow, it looks amazing. I like the white and black display here. At the top of the display we have 4 customized shortcuts, 4 buttons, on-off button, the touch wheel, and the middle button, the catch-up button, mute and mute, back, home, increasing and decreasing button, back and forward button, the infrared emitter here, reset button here, and the Type-C port plug in to charge the remote control. You need a 5V 1 amp, inside it has 2000 mAh lithium battery and you can even charge it from a power bank. But first let's turn it on. Press and hold the on button, SwitchBot. No device, please add devices via app. Okay. It's charging, 70% battery. Nice. Later I will fully charge it. Add the device, universal remote, press the on button for 3 seconds until the SwitchBot logo appears, press the on and off button for 2 seconds, okay, perfect, connect, firmware upgrade. Upgraded successfully. You can rename the device, pick a room, next. Perfect. Manage devices, import existing appliances, third-party control, import. In the past I have added some devices with the SwitchBot Hub 3 and right now I need to select all these devices and synchronize with the remote control. Patch add, and we can see one by one the devices at the remote control. Successfully, got it. Manage scenes. Same in here, you can add, save, I can hear in the sound, and add the settings, you can rename, pick a room, device settings, auto brightness, you can disable that, on, I just turned it on the air condition, okay, off. So easy. Screen brightness, you can see. Very easy to make all the adjustments. Button brightness. I don't know if you can see, we have the brightness at the buttons. Yep, very nice. Touch wheel, you can enable. Button sounds, disable, enable. Raise to wake, auto dim. You can choose from 15 seconds to 60 seconds. Temperature unit, Celsius or Fahrenheit. You can choose different languages, help and feedback, firmware and battery. And raise to wake up. With the wheel you can navigate. Very easy. If you don't want to use the wheel, at the device settings you can just disable the touch wheel and then you can navigate up and down and left and right. And at the air conditioner, here you have the option to turn on. So easy. Adjust the temperature. With both buttons. With the shortcut, here you can choose cool, heat, dry, auto or fan. Back, auto, fan, speed 1, 2 or 3. Swing, first, second or third. And of course, you can adjust any other buttons, wherever you want. Air conditioner, you can choose the available commands for each button. Nice. Raise to wake up and off. Cut a button at the main screen, LG TV. You can turn it on. Increase the volume.
Return to that. Let's just recap where we
Mute, unmute. You can change channel. You can go at the menu, navigate, back, other functions. From the shortcut, you can choose the number. You can add a command, LGTV. Choose one of these commands. You have so many options for each button. Source, program info, and you can switch it off. Basement bulb, and here you can adjust the temperature color. You have the option to choose different colors. Different scene, and from this button you can adjust the brightness, different color. We can see, and from the app you can choose different commands for each button. It is so nice to have all these options available. And you can turn it on or turn it off, of course. Right curtain, you can open. %, 70%, close. And again from the app You can adjust each button. Then pause. Left curtain, the same thing. Same options available from the remote control. And you can adjust the scenes. And of course from the app, Hub 3, I have made a video for the Hub 3, you can check down below the description on the SwitchBot playlist. And here you can add any device, air conditioner, TV, light, streamer, set box, DVD player, fan, projector, camera, whatever you want. Supports up to 80,000 plus remote control models. Let's say add the fan, you can do a smart matching, waiting for signal, select manually, choose the brand, learn buttons, you can do that, learn each button. You have so many options. Don't worry, I'm pretty sure all the remote controls you have at your home, they are compatible with the SwitchBot Hub 3. And you can just press the Find Universal Remote. There it is. If your coffee table is cluttered with remotes, this device is a game changer. It elegantly consolidates control of all your IR appliances from your TV and AC to your projector and your favorite SwitchBot Bluetooth devices, all into one intuitive handheld remote. While it works seamlessly with the SwitchBot Hub to unlock its full smart home potential, including Matter support and smart scenes, the convenience it brings to everyday control is undeniable. If you are ready to simplify your smart home experience and take command with a single, well-designed remote, the SwitchBot Universal Remote is a fantastic addition to your SwitchBot ecosystem. What's the one device you'd love to control with this remote? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more smart home tech reviews and tap the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. You can find links to the SwitchBot Universal Remote and compatible hubs in the description below. Thanks for watching and enjoy the simplicity.